Okay guys, here we go again. Let's do whatever we did with jQuery, this time with Dojo, with this toolkit. Let's see how we can do a DOM manipulation with Dojo way, and probably use some of their digits, which are actually widgets, UI elements. Okay, I'm still in code NVY, but I pushed everything to what I have done here. I pushed everything to GitHub, so I can switch again to Cloud9. Okay, let me make sure that I have pushed everything. In Story and Sheriff I should have 2 files. This will indicate that I have pushed 2 more files. Experiment jQuery CD and UI. Yes, this is the new file which I have created in code NVY. And I'm happy with what I see, so let me see again the status just to make sure that I haven't changed anything, and I forgot to commit, and after that push on branch master, nothing to commit, working directory clean. Okay, log out, and I'm gonna go now to Cloud9 C9IO. Again, I'm gonna use the OpenID technology. In other words, I'm gonna use my GitHub credentials to log in, sign in. Okay. Let's try to do the same with Dojo. Okay. FMI project. Copy goat leader. Very interesting. That's from Star Wars. Okay. Now, of course, I have to fetch, because as you can see, the changes are not here. So let me do fetch origin master, git fetch origin master. I'll do git merge origin master up to date. Let me check the remote. Oops, sorry. Origin git branch master let me check something. Refresh. Git merge origin already up to date. This is my only repository, remote repository. Okay, so git pull, and I'm gonna do pull origin master. Okay, so let me refresh. Here we go. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use another HTML file, which I'm gonna call experiment dojo. Experiment dojo.html. Open it, and I wanna see if I can use CDN or not. Let me open this Dojo and see. No, I'm not gonna copy this. I'm gonna based on the jQuery experiment. Okay. So now let's go to Dojo Toolkit org. Dojo Toolkit. Download and copy the CDN expression. Copy. Of course, I'm gonna create here experiment dojo CSS, and I'm gonna change the text dojo experiment for dojo. We're gonna use the same approach. First, we will try to get it from the CDN to see if that works, and I doubt. Ajax, Google APIs, Ajax, Ellipse, Dojo. Okay, so let's see. Console, just for any case. Let's say preview. Experiment for Dojo, blah blah. And I don't see any messages here for blocking, which actually is very, very good. Dojo.js. Okay, that will be very, very nice. Let's try and make Dojo work somehow. Let's say hello world with Dojo, just to make sure that it works actually. Notice the fact that there is no HTTP or HTTPS. If there is no such thing, it's used the protocol which is used for the page, for the entire page. Experiment Dojo. So JS, and I'm gonna call this Experiment Dojo, and I'm gonna create such file. Dojo experiment bg, Dojo bg, new file, experiment dojo.javascript. And here I'm gonna say alert. I should do something with Dojo. Think with Dojo. Okay, so let's see if that works. Yeah, I should do something with Dojo. That's good. Now, Let me open this experiment Dojo BG because we have a hello world example there. Just gonna copy and paste this. Required Dojo Doom ready, function Doom by ID my diff. Yeah, let me create here something. ID my diff on one of the hello new world experiment for Dojo. So let me say h1 ID unique identifier my should be diff, obviously, because I name it diff. So diff I should be replaced by Dojo. Okay, so let's see if that happens. I should do something with Dojo. I should be replaced by Dojo. Yeah, I haven't saved the file here, the JS file yet. Now we should see that this text will be replaced by Dojo. Hello new world. Just great. The great news is that Dojo works from the CDN, which is just great news. I still will download and show you how to use locally Dojo, but as you can see in Cloud 9 it's not necessary, which is a very good news, as I said. CDN works. It is not blocked by Cloud 9. Now, just to show you that nothing will change, I will download Dojo, Dojo base, Dojo Toolkit release. It's too big, 7.4 megabytes. I just don't need it. A single file download providing only the Dojo base Dojo API. Stable, reliable, professional tool for Ajax, events, packaging, CSS-based querying, animations, JSON language utilities, and at just the beginning. Here in Dojo, 7.4 megabytes, we have the digits as well, and Dojo's project. This download is ideal for a situation where a custom build will not be required. This archive contains the full Dojo, Digit, and Dojo's project. Compressed and optimized for immediate use. Okay, what I'm interested is, can we use the digit directly from here, from the CDN? Okay, so I'm gonna get the Dojo base, save link as, and I'm gonna put it in upload it. Here in public JavaScript. This is the proper place. Oh, experiment jQuery. I should remove that. I don't need it. Let me make sure that I don't need it. Yeah, I don't. I should have the same file here down in the jQuery. Experiment jQuery. Yep. Let me look at here. Yes, this is the right file. And here in public we don't need this file, so I will say delete. But to remove the extra, do you want to continue? This change cannot be undone. Yes, of course. And now, as I said, I'm gonna upload Dojo here. Drag and drop is very good. I'm gonna drop it here. Okay, Dojo. Either you call Dojo from the CDN, or you use it locally. Nothing's gonna change. Let me look at Hello Dojo example. And this is again from the CDN repository. Here it is how we should load Dojo locally. I'm gonna comment the CDN. This is how we bring our toolkit, the box with the tools, to our page in order to use it. Of course, this should be public. And it's not Dojo, it's JavaScript. Dojo JavaScript. Okay, let's see if that works. Hello New World. Yes, it works. That's all you have to do actually to load Dojo. And notice the Dojo way. Now, so this is called AMD, Asynchronous Module Definition. Dojo DOM, we instantiate an object, only DOM object of Dojo, which we need, and it's sent as an argument to the function. Dojo DOM ready with the exclamation mark actually shows which is the event, Dojo DOM ready. And here what we do is we manipulate the DOM element, which has a unique identifier myDiff, and we set the inner HTML Hello New World. This is the Dojo way to manipulate the DOM. And the rest you can find in Dojo. My goal was just to show you how to use it in the Cloud IDE, and as you can see, it works both ways. It works locally, and it works from the CDN, opposite to jQuery, which doesn't work for CDN for some reason. I should try probably from Google or other CDN to see if it works, jQuery. Okay, script, JavaScript, experiment Dojo. Yeah, this is my file. Let me see what else I wanted to tell you about Dojo. So, Dojo has a system of widgets called digit. They're called digits actually, plural. How can you get Dojo on your page? Downloading an official release, the loading from Subversion. I show it to you from the CDN, and how to get Dojo from the official release. You go to this URL, you click on download, dojotulkit.org. You click on download, and you get the CDN, and you have choices between the source and also the full release, where you have the digits and dojos, or just the Dojo base. In this case, I just downloaded the Dojo base. Okay, because the Dojo Digit and Dojo systems are very big. Okay, so now, hello Dojo, I show it to you already. How to do that? Let me check something. See, when we downloaded from the CDN, we didn't say Dojo data config asynchronous true. And here in the example, actually, where was it? Yeah, in the example which I have here, this is exactly what I have. So I'm just gonna add this, so we'll have it here as well. Script, okay. Let's make sure that after the change it works. I'm almost 100% sure that will work, but let me try. Make sure that it works. Yeah, it does. Okay. I wanted to mention that before Dojo was using a namespace called Dojo. Now there is a migration guide, and the way we were using Dojo was different. Now we have two functions, require and define. This is what the base does actually, and I show it to you already how to use Dojo. This is the Dojo way, AMD way, to manipulate DOM elements and to use Dojo. This is what I wanted to say. Dojo base and core. Here, as a comparison, I'm using the old way, Dojo string, Dojo by ID, some node, and the new way, which require how to use it. This is string manipulation. Okay, let me try that. So we'll come here and say require Dojo DOM, Dojo string, Dojo DOM ready, function DOM, Dojo DOM string some node, and let's put this some node here in the another paragraph. Some node. Okay, let's see what happens now. Some node. Let's save this as well, the JavaScript. Error, source Dojo loader, info array2. DOM string HTTPS echo FMI workspace public JavaScript not found. Okay, let me try not with the local but with the CDN. Just cannot load this module of Dojo, and let's leave it to the CDN, working with the CDN. Let's see what happens now. Uncount type error, cannot set property inner HTML of null. PHP Cloud some node. Maybe this is IDE. Yes, this is IDE. Not class, but IDE. And let's try again. Sorry about that. Yes, I link trim string. Okay, that's beautiful. So from the CDN, as you can see, you can freely use it. Otherwise, you have to download different files and install it locally. If it's not a base but a core, if the functionality you're looking for it's not downloaded, the files are not downloaded and installed locally, as you can see, you have a very limited toolkit. Only few tools are working with Dojo. The most important though, but still they're missing. Okay, let me see what else I want to say. Events and advice, DOM manipulation. Waiting for the DOM, I show it to you. Adding visual effects, let's see this. Dojo DOM, Dojo effects. Okay, let me try this example as well, just to make sure that it works. So Dojo DOM, again we are using Dojo DOM, Dojo effects, Dojo DOM ready, function DOM effects, greeting, DOM by ID, greeting. Okay, let's create one element called greeting here. H1 ID, and I'll say welcome. From Dojo. Welcome from Dojo. Okay, let's see how that looks. Here we go. You can see the animation. Welcome from Dojo. This is how easy it is to use Dojo once you get it on the page. Digit and widgets. So far so good. I show it to you that even on Cloud 9 we can use the CDN. It's not blocking, the Cloud 9 is not blocking Dojo. So we can use the Dojo base and Dojo core from the CDN, which is just wonderful. And that's it for now. I will show you how to use the digit actually in a separate lection, and I will get it again in code NVY just to make it more interesting, just to move again the things to code NVY, another IDE which we can use on the deployment server. See you very soon.